today we are here to start the lecture series of Mathematics 1. Our topic is indeterminate form and today our subtopics are infinite minus infinite, 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0 and 0 raised to 0, formation of the indeterminate form. Form number 4, it is infinity minus infinity form. Working rule to evaluate limit of the form infinite minus infinite if limit x tends to a f of x equal to infinite, limit x tends to a g of x equal to infinity, then limit f of x minus g of x is called indeterminate form of the infinity minus infinity. So we are taking f of x minus g of x equal to limit x tends to a 1 upon g of x minus 1 upon f of x upon 1 upon f of x into g of x. Then the limit becomes form 0 by 0 and solved by the L'Hopital's rule. Example, evaluate limit x tends to 1 minus log x minus x upon x minus 1. So what is our working rule? Working rules say that if it is infinity minus infinity form, then we are taking x minus 1 minus x log x minus 1 log x, it is 0 by 0 form. If it is 0 by 0 form, then we are using L'Hopital's rule. Using L'Hopital's rule, we are taking differentiation both the numerator in denominator. So we take minus log x upon log x plus x minus 1 into 1 by x. Minus log x upon log x plus x minus 1 into 1 by x, it is 0 by 0 formation. Minus x log x plus x minus 1, it is again 0 by 0 form. So we are applying L'Hopital's rule again. We get log x minus 1 log x plus 1 plus 1. Applying x tends to 1, we get the limit as minus 1 by 2. Limit x tends to 0, 1 upon x square minus 1 upon sin square x. It is infinity minus infinity form. So we are multiplying sin square x minus x square upon x square into sin square x. Now it's become 0 by 0 form. So now we are multiplying x square by x square. So we get sin square x minus x square into x raised to 4 into sin square x. Now sin x by x equal to 1. So we get sin square x minus x raised to square upon x raised to 4. By L'Hopital's rule, again we are differentiate numerator and denominator. For the sin square x, we get 2 sin x cos x minus 2x upon 4x cube. 2 sin x cos x set to a sin 2x minus 2x upon 4x cube, 0 by 0 form. Again L'Hopital's rule, it is 2 cos 2x, 2x 2 for the 4x cube. It is 12x square. Put the value 0, 0. Again we get 0 by 0 form. For the L'Hopital's rule, again differentiate. What is the differentiation of 2 cos 2x? It is minus 4 sin 2x. Differentiation of 2 is 0. 12x square is 24x. Now put the value x tends to 0. Again it is 0 by 0 form. Then differentiate numerator, that is minus 8 cos 2x upon 24. And answer is minus 8 by 24. So last answer is minus 1 by 3. Form number 5, that means 1 raised to infinite, infinity raised to 0, 0 raised to 0 form. Working rule to evaluate these formations, 1 raised to infinite, infinity raised to 0, 0 raised to 0 form. To evaluate the limit of limit x tends to f of x raised to g of x, which takes any one of the form 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0, 0 raised to 0 for every f of x greater than 0. We proceed as follows. Let take limit x tends to a f of x raised to g of x where f of x greater than 0. Taking log both the side. So we get log L log limit x tends to a f of x g of x. Applying the property of log, we get log L limit x tends to a log f of x g of x. So it is log L limit x tends to a g of x into log f of x, which takes infinity into 0 form. By solving right hand side using method from the infinity 0 form and assuming we have answer RHS will be k, then we get log L equal to k. Taking antilog both the side, we get the answer L equal to antilog or e raised to k. Example, prove that limit x tends to 0 a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 raised to 1 upon 3x, and we have to prove a, b, c raised to 1 by 9. Now L equal to limit x tends to 0 a raised to x, b raised to x, c raised to x upon 3 raised to 1 by 3x. It is 1 raised to infinity form. Now take the log both the side, we get log L equal to log limit x tends to 0 a raised to x, b raised to x, c raised to x by 3 raised to 1 by 3x. Using the log property, we get log L equal to limit x tends to limit x tends to 0 log a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 raised to 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x is a power. As the log property, we get here limit x tends to 0 1 by 3x log a raised to x, b raised to x, c raised to x by 3. Now it is a infinity into 0 formation. So we take log L equal to limit x tends to 0 log ax, bx, a raised to x, b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 upon 3x. It is 0 by 0 form. Using L'Hopital's rule, log L equal to 3 upon a raised to x, b raised to x, c raised to x. Differentiation of these, a raised to x log a, b raised to x log b, c raised to x log c upon 3 upon 3. Applying x tends to 0, we get a raised to 0, b raised to 0, c raised to 0. It's all 1. A raised to 0 log a, b raised to 0 log b plus c raised to 0 log c. So it is 1 by 3 log a, b and c. It is 1 by 9 log a, b, c. Removing log both the side, we get L equal to ABC raised to 1 by 9. Next example, evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 by x raised to 10x. Now, in this session, we are taking L, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x raised to 10x, it is infinity tends to 0 form. Taking log both the side, we are get log L, limit x tends to 0 log 1 by x raised to 10x. Log L equal to limit x tends to 0, 10x log 1 by x. Now it's become a infinity into 0 formation. So we get log L limit x tends to 0. For the log 1 by x, we take it log x and 10x, that means 1 upon g of x. Formations, we get cot x. So it is infinity by infinity form. Now using L'Hopital's rule, log L equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 1 by x minus cos x square x minus 1 by x minus 1 upon sin square x. So it is sin square x by x, sin square x by x square into x. We get sin x by x whole square into limit x tends to 0 x. So it is log L equal to 1. So answer is 0. L equal to e raised to 0 equal to 1. Now Prove that limit x tends to 1, 1 minus x square log 1 upon log 1 minus x equal to e. Solution. It is 0 raised to 0 form. Okay. So we take log both the side. After applying log both the side, we get, using log property, log L equal to limit x tends to 1, 1 upon log 1 plus x, log 1 minus x square. Now it's become 0 to infinite formation. It is log 1 minus x square upon log 1 minus x, so it is infinity by infinity form. Applying L'Hopital's rule, differentiate numerator in denominator. We get minus 2x upon 1 minus x square and minus 1 upon 1 minus x. Now solve this thing, we get 2x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x square. So it is 2x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x. This 1 minus x and 1 minus x cut out. So answer is 2 upon 2, this 1. Now e raised to 1 is e. We are find RHS. Some examples are illustrated to here to do yourself.